This time it is about 7 apps that you must try on your Android phones, but before that... Hey guys, I'm Avail back again with another video. This time it is about 7 apps that you must try on your Android phones. So before we start, if you're new to my channel, then do hit the subscribe button, and if you've already subscribed, then a big thank you to all of you guys. So let's get started. The very first app that I'm going to talk about in this video is this one, Keep Notes. It is an app that comes by default on a stock Android phones, so you don't have to download it from anywhere, from App Store. You will get it on your device by default if you're using stock Android phones. Otherwise you can download it from Play Store. Now this app is really productive, I would say, because you can keep notes here and it's very simple to use. You just have to open and start typing to create your notes here. You can copy paste text from any web page, from anywhere. You can just copy and paste here. It's very simple, and it lets you to find your notes that you have taken. Suppose you can see that I have saved a lot of things here. Now if I want to search anything, I just have to type the keywords here and it will show me my notes. Suppose if I type here dark theme, so let me show you this. Like, it will show you the notes that I have taken with the same keywords, so you can find it easily. Another good feature is that you can obviously type here like this. Next thing is that what you can do, if you don't want to type, you just have to speak like this. Let me show you. Tap here and let me show you that. So it will take your notes, right? So you don't have to type if you don't like to type, right? So it's very simple, I would say, and it's really fast. And another good feature is that if you're using multiple devices, and you can access the same thing on any of the devices if you are logged in with the same ID. So that is also really good. Another cool feature about it is that you can grab text from images. Let me show you that. Suppose this is the option. You have to tap here, okay, choose image. Then this is one of the screenshots that I have taken. Now if I want to extract the text from this image, what I can do, simply tap here, okay, grab image text, and it will actually take all the text. It's very simple, right? Here you can see, you can read these texts. Now you can select and copy these text from here also. So it's really useful, I believe, and if you're a student, then this will really help you if you use it, right? And you can carry it anywhere, right? So I believe this app is really productive and you must give a try. Next thing is about an app which is really popular. It's not something that I'm telling you for the first time. You must have heard about this one. This is the app called Snapseed, okay, or Snapseed, whatever it is. Okay, now this app is really simple to use and there are a lot of options to edit your pictures. It's really useful. Let me show you how does it work. You just open, suppose this is one image that I have taken. Now here you can see that already there are a lot of filters given here, okay, and now you can see that this is how the picture is looking, the raw image. There is no editing, and I'll show you after simple edit how does it look. Now if you just select this one, accentuate, okay, now okay, then tools. Here you can find a lot of editing tools here. You can tune the image, details, curves, like if you want to increase the details here, just okay, then done. Then again tools. Now if you want to rotate the image, if you want to tune the image, brightness, exposure, everything will be there. Okay, suppose if I want to check this one, shadows, okay, I just want to increase this a bit, 15, done, right? So just minimum editing. Now look how the picture is looking now. So here you can see that it has changed drastically, I would say. The details are really good, and this Ganesh Ji is looking really colorful here. The colors are really sharp here, right? So this one is actually really useful if you are someone who likes to edit photos on your smartphone, then you must try this app. It's really cool. Next thing is about an app that is video editing app, Filmora Go. Okay, you must have heard about this, and this app is actually really good. The best thing that I like about this that if you edit video on it, the watermark, normally all the apps they leave watermark on your video, but the good thing about this app is that the watermark will come at the end of the video. So after doing all the editing, you can actually use a simple video cutter, and you can exclude that part, right? And even if you want to buy this one, it costs just £150 to remove the watermark. Okay, so it's really cool. So let me show you how does it work. If you just want to open it, and simply if you want to edit anything, you just add that. Here also you can cut the video from here. It's very simple. Then edit it, then go, and it's very fast. That's a really good thing. Now there are a lot of options are there. Edit tools, here you can find you can trim, crop, subtitles, PIP is also there, and you can use this voiceover audio mixture. If you have added 2-3 music files, then you can adjust the music sounds there, so that is also really good. Next thing is filters are there, overlays, elements, titles, speed, rotate, adjust. You can tune the video. That's really good. And as I said, there are all the options are there, right, that you normally find on any other video editing app, but it's really fast, and the user interface is really simple. You can add music, like you can see here. There are a lot of themes there you can choose from. Okay, and as I said, the biggest plus point is that the watermark is not over the video here. Okay, at the end of the video the watermark will appear, so you can remove that part by using any video cutter. So I believe that those who are make YouTube videos, then this one is a really useful app. Next thing is about screen recorder. Most of my, or I would say many of my viewers are asking that which one is the best screen recorder, right? So that app, I would suggest that this MNML. Okay, this app is really very new, and it is still under development, and the developers are actually working on it, but you can use it. Early access is there, so you can use it. It's very simple. You can see that the user interface is really simple, and the good thing is that this app will not cause any kind of pop-up ads, so that's really nice. Now you just have to tap here, okay, and it will start recording. Okay, and another thing I would like to tell you that you can also record your gameplay, and while you record videos, let me show you that. But normally what happens, most of the screen recorders, if you start recording, it stops. But here you can see that the recording is still going on, right? Let me show you that. Even the PUBG playback will be there. Okay, if you want to play PUBG and record your gameplay, you can do that. Suppose if I want to stop it here you can see that this will be there. Stop. Okay, done. And it's very simple to use, right? This one. So you can see that this is the recorded video. Like as I told you, the video recording is also being done. Means the camera video recording is also being recorded. The screen is being recorded, and most of the the screen recorders stop when you start video recording. So that is a cool feature here, right? And it's very simple. As I told you, the plus point is there is no ad. Okay, for that at the moment. I don't know what happens in the future, but at the moment there is no ad. The next app is Typing Hero. This app lets you create shortcuts, or we can call it auto text for keyboards. So it's really simple. Nowadays that we have to type our addresses, our names, email IDs so many times, right? So instead of typing the whole text, the whole content, what we can do, we can create shortcuts, or we can call it keywords, and it can replace the whole content. Let me show you how does it work. If you just open this app, But before that, I would like to tell you that when you install it for the first time, it will ask you for the accessibility permission, so you have to provide that permission to use this app. Now create. Okay, suppose I would like to create auto text for my address. Suppose if I type here edit ADD, so this is the keyword. Now here I have to type my whole address. Let me take that from my notes here. Okay, these are the notes. Select all, copy, then paste it here. Okay, now what happens, this one first option is there, replace keyword with text after typing space. So that means what, if you type ADD and hit space, this whole text will appear. Let me show you that. Save, done. Now wherever I am, it doesn't matter. Now if I type ADD and press space, then the whole address will be shown there. So it's really cool, I believe, and you can use it to save your addresses, email IDs, because nowadays we have to type again and again a lot of content, right? So you can avoid doing that by creating shortcuts or auto text. Now next thing is about one app that lets you use live wallpaper like this, as you can see here, because the stock Android phones nowadays, they don't come with live wallpapers. So this one app is really simple. What you have to do, you just have to install it and just open the app like this, and here you can see that you can select different wallpapers, the backgrounds, okay, and that's really simple. Okay, and good thing is that it is also not causing any kind of pop-up ads. So this is one thing that I liked about it. Otherwise, if it if it becomes reasons for unnecessary ads, that is really annoying. So this app is not causing that kind of problem, so I believe that is really good. So you can use this one also. Next app is about wallpapers. Many of my viewers, they ask me about the wallpapers that I use on my devices, and there is one application that I normally use, this one, Wally. But the bad thing about this one is that it causes pop-up ads, so that is one negative about this app. Otherwise, it has a really good collection. You can get a lot of categories here, okay, and featured wallpapers are there, right? And in the categories section here, you can see that there are a lot of sections are there: TV, movies, and other superheroes wallpapers you can find. And the good thing is that if you want to download any particular wallpaper, suppose for example this one, it will help you to get the proper size. Okay, let me show you that. Okay, download, and it will give you the option. This one is the best fit for my device, so accordingly it will adjust to your device. So you can select that one and download. It's very simple. So this is the app that I use to get wallpapers, so you can also use it. But the disadvantage is that it causes pop-up ads, full screen ads. So if you don't want to get that, then avoid this app. You can go for other wallpaper applications. So I believe that these are the apps that you can give a try, and if you find any of these really helpful, then do let me know in the comment section, and help me to make more videos by sharing your opinion, right? So in this video, that's it, and till the next video guys, cheers.